Hello viewers, this is Dr. Umarani Purushothaman welcoming you all to my story page. Today I am going to tell you a story, real story, okay, that this has really happened, okay, regarding persistence. Okay, that determination should be there in any human being. Only then those people will win in their life. Okay, children, please listen carefully to this, real time story. There was a person by name Karoli Takacs. He was in a Hungarian in the army. He is very good in like shooting. Okay, so pistol shooting he is known for that, and his ambition was to take part in Olympics. Okay, in 1940 I think they were about to start in the Olympics in Tokyo. So he was very concerned that he should participate and then he should win a gold medal in that Olympics event, and took lot of training day and night. He was very concerned about winning, and that was there in his mind. And we think human, we think something, and God disposes something. That is really happening in everybody's life, right? So when he was doing training in the army, suddenly a bomb will blast and his right hand will be blown off, and he was so like upset. He didn't know what to do, but then also he was not discouraged. He was very specific that somehow he should achieve his dream. That was his mindset, and with that determination, with that perseverance, persistence, he tried again and again somehow to win the gold medal. And finally in the year 1954 he took part in the Olympics game and he won the gold medal in pistol shooting. Okay, and somehow he achieved this dream. If someone else had been in the place of Karoli, what would have happened? They would have been discouraged, they would have been demotivated, they would have become a drunkard, or some of them might even have ended up their life. But look at the persistence of Karoli. Children, this is what like you lesson you have to learn from such people. So he had inspired children like you to be very determined. If you are very determined, I am very sure that whatever happens in your life, you will always be in the mindset of winning in your life. So definitely you also can win. But I am very sorry to note that some of the youngsters like they have filthy thoughts, like worst like mindset they are having. And the way they write things, the way they send the messages, it's really heartening to note, especially for a person like me. And if such people are there, it's very difficult for such people to have a determination in their life to come up. So children, I am telling, shed off all that filthy thought, and shed off all that dirty mindset from you, and have a determination in your life. And I want you all to win in your life, fulfill all your dreams. With this, I think I'll wind up today. Thank you.